Welcome my dear students. Today we will discuss about the chapter Common Diseases in Human Beings. In this chapter we have to discuss about the definition of disease, the classification of disease, that means the diseases are classified into how many types and the spreading of diseases by different organisms. So we have to first start the definition of disease. Generally, the literary meaning of the word disease is lack of ease. Disease means lack of ease and comfort. Disease can be explained as a disorder of body or mind or deviation from normal health. Classification. Disease is broadly classified into two classes, that is congenital and acquired disease. Disease. Congenital disease. What do you mean by congenital disease? The disease which are present since birth and may result from disorders in genetic constitution is called congenital disease. What is acquired disease? The diseases which are developed after birth is called acquired disease. It is of two types, that is communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease. The disease which can spread from an infected person to a healthy person is called communicable disease. The disease which spread from infected person to healthy person is called communicable disease. This type of disease can communicate through contact, water, air, food or through animals. Non-communicable disease. The disease which cannot spread from an infected person to a healthy person, that is from an infected person to distant part of the body, is called non-communicable disease. Example, heart diseases, diabetes, cancer, etc. are non-communicable diseases. Classification of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be classified according to their mode of transmission from man to man. When they are transmitted from man to man, they are classified into different types. They are transmitted by contact, through food and water, through air, through bites of insects and animals. Sometimes an infectious disease spreads rapidly through the population of affecting a large proportion of people. This is called epidemic disease, like influenza. The disease is named as epidemic disease, like influenza. When the epidemic disease spread very widely across the globe, it is called pandemic disease, like plague in the 14th century in Europe, and nowadays the COVID-19 is also called a pandemic disease. Our World Health Organization WHO is declared COVID-19 as pandemic disease because it spread all over the globe entirely. Nowadays it spread about 30 million of people are affected from this disease. When a disease frequently occurs in a particular region, it is called as endemic disease, or example, common cold. The disease which are caused to other animals but sometimes transmitted to man is called zoonotic disease, as for example anthrax. Zoon means animal, from animal to man. The disease which is caused from animal to man, which is transmitted from animal to man, is called zoonotic disease. The communicable diseases are further classified according to the nature of causative agents. That means the causative agents are like bacteria, virus, protozoa, helminthes and fungi. The disease which are spread by bacteria, the bacterial disease, example of bacterial disease are cholera, diphtheria, TB or tuberculosis, leprosy, tetanus, typhoid. Disease, cholera is caused by the bacteria Vibrio cholerae. Then the diphtheria is caused by Cyanobacterium diphtheria. Cyanobacterium diphtheria. Then the tuberculosis or TB is caused by a bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then leprosy. Leprosy is also a bacterial disease which is caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium leprae. Then tetanus. Tetanus is caused by the Clostridium tetani, bacteria Clostridium tetani. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. Bacteria Salmonella typhi causes typhoid. Then we have to discuss about viral diseases. The diseases which are spread by virus, there are some examples, that is smallpox, influenza, polio, jaundice, rabies, chickenpox, etc. The smallpox is caused by the virus variola virus. Then influenza is caused by influenza virus, influenza virus. Polio is caused by the virus poliomyelitis. Jaundice is also caused by the different hepatitis viruses, that is hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, etc. Rabies is also caused by the street virus. Rabies is caused by street virus. And the chickenpox is caused by herpes virus. The disease which is caused by protozoans is called protozoan disease, that is amoebiasis and malaria. The amoebiasis is caused by a protozoa called as entamoeba histolytica. Then malaria is caused by the protozoans, that is Plasmodium species, Plasmodium protozoa, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, etc. There are some helminth disease like ascariasis and filariasis. Ascariasis is caused by the Ascaris lumbricoids, and filariasis is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. Then the disease fungus. The disease which is caused by the fungus is called candidiasis and ringworm. Candidiasis is caused by the fungus Candida, and ringworm is also caused by the fungus, by a fungus. Then in the next class we will discuss about the different bacterial diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera, etc. Then thank you.